Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our continuation of our discussion on the topic forces. Today we'll be discussing angle between two forces. Our very first question is from November 1994. It states that calculate correct to one decimal place the angle between two forces 20 Newton and 30 Newton if their resultant is 40 Newton. Now our very first step is to sketch out our forces, and when we do that we get the diagram as shown on the screen. Now the cosine formula that can help us get theta is not done directly, but we proceed as follow. We let the angle between the two forces be theta. So theta plus beta will be equals to 180 degree. So therefore theta will be equals to 180 minus beta. And rearranging our cosine formula, cos beta will be equals to 30 square plus 20 square minus 40 square divided by 2 times 30 times 20, which therefore will be equals to 900 plus 400 minus 1600 divided by 1200, which will then be equals to minus 300 divided by 1200. So therefore cos beta will be equals to minus 0.25 and beta will be equals to arc cos minus 0.25, which will be equals to 104.5. Now since theta is equals to 180 minus beta, theta will be equals to 180 minus 104.5, and theta will therefore be equals to 75.5 degree, and the correct option is C. We have another question from November 1999 that states that the angle between two forces of magnitude 19 and 21 newtons is theta if the magnitude of their resultant is 37 newtons. Calculate correct to the nearest degree the value of theta. Now we are going to be using our cosine formula to evaluate this, and first and foremost we are going to be sketching out our diagram, and after sketching the diagram we get the diagram as shown on the screen. Now recall that theta plus beta will be equals to 180 degree, so therefore theta will be equals to 180 minus beta, and applying our cosine formula, cos beta will be equals to 19 square plus 21 square minus 37 square divided by 2 times 19 times 21. Evaluating our squares, it will be equals to 361 plus 441 minus 1369 divided by 798. And simplifying further, cos beta will be equals to minus 556 divided by 798, which means cos beta will be equals to minus 0.7105, and beta will be equals to arc cos minus 0.7105, and beta will be equals to 13, and beta will be equals to 135.28 degree. Thus theta will be equals to 180 minus 135.28, which is equals to 44.72, or approximately 45 degree. Our next question is from November 2000, and it states that if the magnitude of the resultant of two forces of magnitude P and 3P newtons acting at a point is P root 7 newton, find the angle between the forces. Now the very first thing we are going to do is to try and sketch our forces, and when we do so we get the diagram as shown. Now let the angle be equals to theta, so therefore theta plus beta will be equals to 180 degree. That's interior opposite angle of a triangle. Now theta will be equals to 180 minus beta, and using our cosine formula, cos beta will be equals to p square plus in bracket 3p square minus in bracket p root 7 square divided by 2 times p times 3p, and simplifying to be equals to p square plus 9p square minus 7p square divided by 6p square, which will then be equals to 3p square divided by 6p square, and dividing both the numerator and denominator by p square, cos beta will be equals to 0.5 and beta will be equals to arc cos 0.5, which is equals to 60 degree. So therefore theta will be equals to 180 minus 60 degree, which is equals to 120 degree. Our final question is from WAEC 2005, and it states that two forces of magnitude 50 Newton and 100 Newton have a resultant magnitude of 120 Newton. Calculate correct to the nearest degree the angle between the two forces. Now let the angle between the two forces be theta, and by constructing or sketching our forces we get the diagram as shown on the screen. Now recall that theta plus beta will be equals to 180 degrees, so therefore theta will be 180 minus beta. Now using our cosine formula, cos beta will be equals to 50 square plus 100 square minus 120 square divided by 2 times 50 times 100, which is going to make cos beta to be equals to 2500 plus 10,000 minus 14,400 divided by 10,000. And simplifying, cos beta will be equals to minus 1900 divided by 10,000. And when we divide, cos beta will be equals to minus 0.19, and beta will be equals to arc cos of minus 0.19, which is equals to 100.95. So therefore theta will be equals to 180 minus 100.95, which is equals to 79.05 degree. Here are some exercises for you to try your hands on at home. And for more insight on this topic, you can check out our Hidden Fact Further Mathematics textbook. You can easily get the hard copy in bookshop, or if you are interested in the soft copy, you can get it at the website on the bottom of the screen. Thank you.